Hey everyone, let's dive into the world of Apple's latest innovation, iOS 18. This isn't just an update, it's a complete transformation of how you interact with your iPhone, making it more personal, capable, and intelligent than ever before. Starting off, iOS 18 introduces some groundbreaking features. Ever found yourself without Wi-Fi or cellular data and needed to send a message? Well, with the new messages via satellite feature, that's totally possible now. Imagine being virtually anywhere in the world and still being able to connect. It's a game changer, especially for adventurers or anyone in remote areas. Next up, we have the biggest redesign of the Photos app. It's not just about storing your memories anymore, it's about experiencing them in a whole new way. And for those who are all about security, the new Passwords app is here to strengthen your peace of mind with enhanced security features. But that's not all. Apple has taken significant steps to upgrade Mail, Safari, and the overall privacy controls. This means a smoother, faster, and more secure user experience. Speaking of privacy, Apple is reinforcing their commitment with end-to-end encryption in iMessage and new privacy features, giving you more control over your data. And for the tech enthusiasts, Apple Intelligence is coming out in beta. Available on the iPhone 15 Pro and other select devices, this new system is set to redefine smart technology, making your devices not just tools, but intelligent partners in your daily life. iOS 18 will roll out this fall as a free update for iPhone X's and later models. So whether you're a tech guru or just someone who loves using their iPhone, this update is something to look forward to. It's not just about enhancing the iPhone, it's about enhancing your entire digital experience. For more details on all these features, make sure to check out apple.com/ios/ios-18-preview. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see how all of us are going to explore these new features come fall.